Hi, this is Dr. Cairns with a brief lecture on managing benefits and services. This is an area that has grown in importance because of the rising costs of various things and also because of congressional laws that have been passed, and I'll talk about those in a minute. This information is coming to us from Society of Human Resource Management, Compensation, and Benefits. So let's look at two distinguishing aspects of managing benefits, those that are required by law and those that are discretionary. Both of these, we could call these entitlements, where we're entitled to certain benefits by law, and then these other entitlements we think we're entitled to just by the nature of, well, you got to provide them. So let's discuss them in a little bit more detail. Social Security, obviously, and these areas of workers' comp and even health insurance and the FMLA, family medical leave, we look at these things as just being things that we need to have. But they're also cost somewhere in the neighborhood of 7 to 8%, and with the health insurance requirement actually raises the employer's cost significantly. These are somewhat hidden costs because Social Security, we share that cost as we're working. We pay part of that, and then the employer pays the other half. So we sometimes think about that, but we don't necessarily think about the employer sharing in that cost. And then the discretionary benefits, these we think that were basically things employers really need to provide if they want to be in the game of employing people. And you have a case study that I've offered to you, and you see nuances of this whole area of discretionary. And I actually would say that some of these are probably things that over time companies have just been providing, for example, vacation or sick leave or pay for jury duty or tuition reimbursement or other sorts of things. But companies really need to visit this whole area of the discretionary, in my opinion, and think about maybe customizing, and you see that talked about, but this customization, can it be done in a more cost-effective way and also enhance it? So as we look at the various categories of benefits, we can slot these into areas that involve supplemental pay, insurance benefits, retirement benefits, and personal benefits. And so think of the categories as it relates to the case studies as we're talking about it throughout this. And that's it. If you want some more information, consult your Society for Human Resource Management module on compensation and benefits.